Let's make a fast, fresh, and savory tomato, onion, and sweet potato phyllo pie. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Grease the pie plate with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Lay down a sheet of phyllo dough and brush with 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil. Place the second sheet so that the edges overlap slightly. And brush with olive oil. Repeat with the rest of the sheets. Fold the overhanging edges inward. Bake for about 10 minutes in the middle of the oven. Peel the sweet potatoes. Cut into equal pieces. And boil in salted water with 1 clove of garlic for 10 minutes until tender. Drain the sweet potatoes and mash with a potato masher or mixer. Season with freshly ground pepper and salt. Cut the red onions into half rings. And half the cherry tomatoes. Mince the rest of the garlic. Heat the remaining olive oil in a frying pan and sauté the garlic, onion, and thyme for 10 minutes on low heat. Add the balsamic vinegar and cook for another 5 minutes on medium heat. Season with freshly ground pepper and salt. Spoon the mashed sweet potatoes on the phyllo dough and spoon the onion thyme mixture on top. Spread out the tomatoes cut side up and sprinkle with pepper. Bake for about 10 minutes in the oven at 400 degrees. Serve immediately. And there you have it, a simple, fresh, and savory tomato, onion, and sweet potato phyllo pie.